You wake up, you scroll for a few minutes, you rush through the day, and you go to bed. Then you do it all over again. The days blur into weeks and months, and eventually you wonder why you're in the exact same spot. When we realize we're stuck, we often wait for a sudden stripe of inspiration or a big New Year's resolution to fix everything at once. We look for a shiny new plan that promises to change our life in a single stroke. But motivation acts like a sugar rush. It feels intense in the moment, but it always fades. When that initial excitement is gone, we slide right back into our old routines and get stuck in the same frustrating loop. The way out is through micro-habits. These are repeatable actions so small, like making your bed or reading one page of a book, that they seem insignificant. Their power isn't in their intensity, but in the simple act of showing up every day. This graph illustrates the difference. Relying on motivation creates sharp spikes of effort that crash back to zero just as quickly. Boring habits, however, represent a slow, steady, compounding curve that builds over time. The life you want isn't built during rare moments of high inspiration. It is forged in the quiet, invisible daily actions that don't seem like a big deal at the time. If you can win the first hour of your day, you set the tone for everything that follows. Think of this as your morning foundation, a way to take back control before the day gets away from you. Start by waking up at the same time every day. This isn't just about discipline. It gets your body's internal clock into a rhythm so your energy remains steady. Before you do anything else, hydrate. A single glass of water wakes up your brain and body after hours of sleep. Protect that first hour by keeping your phone away. By avoiding the flood of early notifications, you start the day proactively rather than reacting to everyone else's demands. Finally, make your bed. It sounds small, but it provides your first win. It creates a tiny psychological domino effect that builds momentum for the next task. Stringing together these small morning victories creates a fortress for your focus. It ensures you enter the rest of your day with clarity instead of chaos. Winning the morning is only the start. You sustain that progress through the working hours using a few specific daily disciplines. First, focus on one task at a time. Multitasking is a myth that divides your attention and lowers the quality of your work. Make it a rule to create before you consume. Write one paragraph or solve one small problem before checking feeds or emails. This shifts your brain from a passive state to an active one. Take a daily walk without any distractions. No podcasts, no music, nothing. This gives your brain the space to work in the background, connecting ideas and solving problems for you. Then do one hard thing. Make the phone call you've been putting off, or do a set of push-ups. This builds your discipline and proves that your feelings don't have to run the show. These midday systems demonstrate to your brain that your internal commitments, not your mood, dictate what happens next. How you end your day is just as important as how you start it. A nightly reset allows you to close the loop on today and get everything ready to win tomorrow. Take 5 minutes to plan out tomorrow by identifying your top 3 most important tasks. Moving these from your head onto paper frees up mental energy, so you wake up with purpose instead of panic. Implement a digital sunset by turning off screens 30 to 60 minutes before bed. This simple practice allows your brain to power down without the interference of blue light or the endless scroll. Write down 3 small wins from the day. This practice trains your brain to look for the positive and builds a foundation of gratitude. Planning isn't about restriction. By deciding your priorities the night before, your morning energy can go entirely toward taking action rather than wasting time making decisions. Consider the math of a simple 15-minute habit. Reading 10 pages a day adds up to 15 books a year. This compounding effect quietly upgrades how you think, speak, and see the world, without requiring a single dramatic breakthrough. Every time you follow through on these small tasks, you are doing more than just checking off a list. You are building self-trust. Each completed micro-habit is a vote cast for the person you want to become. You are providing your brain with evidence of your own reliability. Your future self is being built right now through these small everyday choices. They are counting on you right now to do the quiet, boring work that no one else sees. Pick one boring habit and start today.